We are no longer just talking about AI innovation in the abstract. We are seeing real product making, deployment, and productivity gains. From breakthroughs in silicon to creation of small language models like Orca and Phi, to models as a service, which is making it easier to bring the power of Cohere, Llama, Mistral to more apps, to the latest and the best from OpenAI, and of course, Copilot, your everyday AI companion.
Do you know that Microsoft has rolled out an AI assistant that can help you in doing your day-to-day tasks? It is said that the MS Copilot can become your new best friend by assisting you in writing emails, documents, and so on. Let's see. Patrick Moorhead, the CEO and principal analyst of Moor Insights Strategy, attended a Microsoft event in New York City in the middle of September. In addition to several recurring fall product reviews, the event placed a big emphasis on AI. Highlights included the release of new Surface laptop, a Windows 11 upgrade with over 150 new features that become available on September 26, and the full release of Microsoft 365 Copilot on November 1. The focal point of the event was a single AI-driven Copilot that could operate on various devices, applications, and the web. The gathering was intimate, not for exclusivity but for transparency. What is now real amid all the chaos and noise around AI? What's coming up? When is that future? This event helped create an atmosphere where face-to-face dialogues went beyond the canned codes for the top leaders' blog and press releases. The top leaders team of Microsoft gave a number of talks at the event. It also involved direct access to senior leaders, including Satya Nadella, the CEO and chairman of Microsoft. We discussed the company's AI strategy, responsible AI, security, and how a single Copilot experience will increase productivity and simply daily chores throughout these meetings. One of the standout moments from the conference was the introduction of Microsoft Copilot, which brings AI to life to create a unified experience. For the purpose of enhancing search, coding, productivity, and other areas, Microsoft has included AI-driven Copilots in its flagship products. These Copilots have lacked consistency and uniformity among apps up until now. The term Microsoft Copilot, in contrast, is currently used to describe a unified AI companion experience that taps into online intelligence, enterprise data, and real-time user context. This feature will be available in Windows 11, Microsoft Office 365, Edge, and Bing. Microsoft wants to offer people a comprehensive AI experience throughout their lives, covering not only professional duties but also shopping, swiftly extracting items like flight data or deliver confirmations from email, and more. To that end, the company is expanding Copilot's capabilities and connections. Microsoft first used the name Copilot for an AI assistant, and several other businesses like Salesforce have since adopted it. Microsoft understands it cannot trademark Copilot but still believes the name has merit. According to Moorhead, having a consistent experience across consumer and business apps has a distinct strength. Every employee in the company is a customer, since the majority of consumers use Windows. Learning Copilot in Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, or GitHub shouldn't take much time. According to Microsoft, Copilot will continue to gain new features and connections to the most popular programs. The business acknowledged that Copilot might be able to exchange information with non-Microsoft Copilots in order to access information from non-Microsoft CRMs, ERPs, and other systems. Copilot should get smarter and more individualized as it gains access to more of the things that matter most to people in their work and personal lives. At that point, Copilot stops being a branding exercise and starts being a brand-driven experience, becoming an extension of the user. The unified Copilot rollout started on September 26 with Windows 11 and will eventually include Bing, Edge, and Microsoft 365 Copilot this fall. Microsoft began a multi-billion-dollar investment in OpenAI in 2019. Soon after, we noticed that OpenAI was creating intriguing products like the amazing image generation tool, DALL-E 2, and currently the well-known ChatGPT. The latter of these two is a sophisticated AI-driven chat tool that can converse like a human, respond to inquiries, make suggestions, and help you with a variety of activities. It is an artificial intelligence that was developed using extensive language and multimodal modeling. This indicates that it has not access to web searches, but has instead been trained on big datasets and human interactions. Though things are developing quickly, OpenAI is continuously working to enhance its toolkit. Since ChatGPT first debuted, AI has caused a stir by doing a variety of tasks, such as writing essays, programming code, offering business ideas, and more. Passing the bar test even. Microsoft disclosed in February 2023 that it was utilizing ChatGPT to power the new Bing, which combines cutting-edge artificial intelligence with Bing Search. Bing is now more than just a search engine thanks to AI, and Microsoft refers to it as your AI Copilot for the web because it can be used as a conversational tool. Bing promises to deliver better search, more comprehensive answers, a new chat experience, and the ability to generate content with the help of these new technologies. Bing now provides you with valuable and in-depth answers to your queries rather than just a list of search results. Microsoft began integrating its AI-powered Bing search into Microsoft Edge in March 2023. The Bing AI chatbot was integrated into a sidebar as normal when the firm started releasing stable browser versions. With the use of this feature, also known as Edge Copilot, Bing Chat, and Discovery, you may now inquire information directly from your browser using the strength of your own AI helper. According to Microsoft, Edge Copilot can summarize site text, look for information online, and even produce content for you. Microsoft acknowledged that Bing AI won't always be entirely truthful and that it isn't yet perfect. Bing strives to base all of its answers on trustworthy sources, but AI is prone to errors, and third-party internet content isn't always accurate or trustworthy. You can come across responses that seems plausible but are actually incomplete, erroneous, or inappropriate because Bing occasionally presents the information it discovers incorrectly. Before making a choice or acting based on Bing's responses, exercise your judgment and confirm the information. What is Microsoft 360 Copilot in simple words? Microsoft is incorporating artificial intelligence into Microsoft 365 in addition to Bing and Edge. The Copilot program aids users in document creation, email reading and summarization, presentation creation, and other tasks. Consider it a much smarter and genuinely helpful replacement for the venerable Clippy helpware from Microsoft Office. The entire program from Microsoft can be utilized with Copilot, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Word. It will be available to assist you. Therefore, Copilot will be there to assist you whether you need assistance managing an Excel pivot table or keeping track of your mailbox. Microsoft has demonstrated some of the Copilot's robust features and capabilities. This covers practical tasks like summarizing lengthy email threads rapidly or analyzing significant amount of spreadsheet data. How effective is Microsoft 365 Copilot? Copilot's use of Excel provides one of the most potent examples of what the software can do. You may use artificial intelligence tool to analyze your data and then perform actions such as looking for trends in specific data sets, producing new sheets and graphs based on it, and even describing its workings and how it arrives in those conclusions. This might be a very effective tool for analyzing business data and could also save a lot of people a lot of time. Copilot has different uses in several of the Microsoft 365 apps. Utilizing Copilot in Microsoft Outlook will increase your productivity. It'll let you summarize lengthy email threads and respond to them as well. You can use it to rapidly mark key communications or to carry out simple tasks like getting assistance with the phrasing and tone of your messages. Copilot in Microsoft Teams. You may communicate with coworkers and make plans with Copilot. It can aid in creating action plans, organizing meeting discussion points, and setting agendas. Even things like meeting summaries for individuals who missed the meeting may benefit from it. When writing, Copilot and Word may assist with creating drafts of documents as well as editing passages, enhancing your writing tones, and summarizing information. Copilot in PowerPoint. You can use Copilot to convert your concepts into decks and add speaker comments to your presentation. 600 Microsoft clients are presently evaluating Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is still in its early phases. We don't know yet when the general public will be able to purchase it or how much it would cost, but we should learn more about it soon. What is Windows Copilot? Microsoft unveiled Windows Copilot during its Build event in May 2023. This is practically identical and is integrated into Windows 11. Similar to Bing Chat, you may ask Windows Copilot for assistance with tasks or information by opening a chat windows directly from your desktop. The fact that it is integrated into the operating system, as opposed to being a standalone application, gives it access to system controls, documents, and the ability to launch and manage apps. In Microsoft's demonstration, Windows Copilot was seen putting the computer in dark mode, securing window and summarizing a business plan. Even better, it can launch Spotify, open a song, and start playing it. Since a large portion of Microsoft's build presentation was devoted to plugins and the ways that other developers can interact with Windows Copilot, we can anticipate that the AI's capabilities will develop over time. Microsoft claims that there are currently 50 plugins available and that thousands more are on the way. That's it for now. What do you think of your new AI best friend? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to this channel.